Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. Today I'm going to unbox this water pump that I bought from Flipkart. I'm using this water pump for my experimental purpose. For the experimental setup I am constructing as part of my research works. So this is the pump. This is submersible water pump from the company Amiflo. We have the power voltage, the maximum rated power and the flow maximum written there, and here we can see 2-year warranty is given. Then some features of the pump such as copper windings, 100% pure copper winding, high lift water, thermal protection, etc. are given there. And also on the other side the same things are given. There's a premium best quality, a silent operation. It will not produce sound during operation. It's given in the side of the box, and it can be used in ponds, aquarium, fountains, hydroponics, etc. Here we have two components. The half and 3/4 nozzles are given, and the components such as pump, the wires, copper windings, etc. Now the technical details of the pumps is given here: the brand, the model name, the weight in grams, dimensions, color, material, then the contact details of the manufacturer, their websites, their address, their phone number, the country of origin, and the price is given as 1800, but I got a discounted price of 1500 something from Flipkart during the big billion sale. Now let's cut this open using this scale, and the seal is not broken, so let's break this seal here. First we'll try to break it with our hands. First we need to take out this cello tape pasted above it, so just take it out with our hands. Then we can take out the seal, we can cut the seal using the scale. I don't have a knife with me right now, so I'm using this scale to cut off the seal. So if the seal is broken, once the seal is broken you can easily open it. So let's keep aside the other box, the Flipkart box, and let's unbox this from the pump box. And we can see here some thermocols. It's covered, the pump is well protected inside thermocol on all the sides. So let's take the pump out. So it's some difficult to take out with one hand, so I may have to take the box from the other side. So this pump is well protected, it will not be damaged. There is the thermocol and the outer cello tape. So let's break this cello tape with the scale. Maybe we can use our hands, no need to use the scale. I think it will be more complicated if we use the scale. Just if you can see here, and it will not cut with the scale, so I am just using my hands to remove this cello tape from the thermocol covering of the pump. So inside we have the pump. We will be able to see the pump if the product is genuine. So the seller is genuine and we can see the pump here. So it's blue and black color, same as the product picture given on the box. So let's take it out. There is a handle on the top so that we can easily carry it. It's a portable pump. So just taking out the components. There is this wire and there is the nozzles. We can take out the pump simply after taking out all the components from the box. And let's take the box aside and let's see the pump. So we have the blue and black colored pump here, and there are some other things in the bottom. There are 4 stands that can be attached to a surface, and there are some paperwork here. I think it's an instruction manual, so let's just take it out. Yes, it is an instruction manual. It's a complete manual in a single sheet, so we have to read it in order to operate the pump and to read it thoroughly. And there is one card also. It should be a warranty card. Yes, it's a warranty card from Amiflo. And these are the nozzles. As you can see here, there are 2 types of nozzles as given in the box. and this is the plug point. It's a 2-pin adapter, so just plug in to the power supply and we can use the pump. So this is the pump, and you can see the sides here. It looks so beautiful. There is an opening upside so that the flow pipe can be connected to take out the fluid, the water. So, and also there is one thing missing here. One thing is inside the pump, that is a I think it's a coolant or some lubricant for cleaning purpose. So let's this is the pump, Amiflo. It's a very good pump. So now let's keep all the components together: the instruction manuals, the warranty card, the nozzle, the cleaning fluid. So thanks for watching my video. Goodbye to you all.